Alright guys, this is my buddy's Escape. It's a 2009. The rear hatch is not opening, but she went ahead and bought the part for it. At least she thinks she did. This is the rear hatch mechanism. It goes down here at the bottom, I think. I've never done one of these before, but I looked over it a little bit and it looks pretty straightforward. It looks like the back door here is built the same way that Ford likes to do pretty much all the doors. So I guess we'll figure it out together. The first thing I noticed when I popped the glass open is that this plastic piece here, when you look inside, let me get a little light for you. There are these little clips all along the top. When you look from the inside, you'll notice that there's no nuts or bolts that you can get to from the top here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out and then we'll be able to get to the mechanism from the inside. At least I hope so. You just gotta find the little clippies and try to get the tool right up against the clip so that you're not pushing against the plastic. But it's pretty straightforward. Once you see the clips, you'll know what I'm talking about. So it looks like there's a couple clips that are farther down. Right now I'm trying to get the two clips that are in the middle. I'll show you what all this looks like once I get it taken apart. There they go. Oh yeah, alrighty. So, I see it. It looks like the same thing. Let's figure out how this thing opens. Alright. There's a so it closes this way. I can see this, so I've got to get my hands down there and pull that up is what it looks like. And that should open it. Let's see. There we go. Hey, at least that one works. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we've got a couple of screws here. Let me get a little light for you. So we've got these, looks like 4 screws, and then these are Torx head bits for it. So I'll pop these out, and then I'll show you once this is off, but there's 4 little of the clips up here, and then there's 2 in the middle, and then it looks like there's a couple down here. I think there's probably 4 of them. So once I get these screws out, then I'll figure out how to pop that out, and then we'll find a Torx bit, and then we'll get that sucker knocked out. All right, I've got those 4 screws out. It looks like if I pull right here, it should just unclip. Let's see. Oh, it's close. Oh, there, I can feel it. There's a clip right there. Right there too. This plastic gets a little fragile over time, and if you pull too hard, you'll get these little white marks around it. So you want to be careful. When you start to pull, you see how you can tell where the tension is right there? So I'm probably going to have to get the tool in from the inside too. Let's see. There it is. And then the last one here. Got it. All right. Let me show you a little better here. So these are the clips that I was getting out there. You see there were 4 on the top, those 2 in the middle. These 2 on the bottom, I don't think I could have gotten them from the top. I couldn't have gotten enough leverage in there. When I was getting it, you want to make sure you pry on this part right here, not on the bottom. But yeah, pretty straightforward. All right, let's see what we've got for the latch. All right, these are just standard Torx bits. They don't have the little hole in the middle, so they're not the security bit. Looks like about a T40, give or take. And then you've got a plug right here, and then a plug down here. And then that should be it. All right, let's go get some Torx bits and get that taken off. All right, guys, I was way off. It's a T27 bit. Oh yeah, easy peasy. This one's all jammed up. All right, let's get the new one in there. Looks the same. Now when I'm doing something like this that has to deal with alignment, like a hood replacement or door replacement, what you'll see is you'll see some little marks. So there's a little bit of movement to it, but you can see where the bolts have previously bit into the paint. And so I try and line it up with that, because however it was before is more than likely where it should be again. Plug it back in. Simple. All right, let's see if it works. Ha ha! Ha ha! Success! All right, let me show you how the plastic goes back in, and then get you on your way. Let me back this up a little bit. So there's a couple little guide plastic thingies in the middle here. This one went in easily. This one was a little bit off. So I just had to find it, get it back in there, pop it in. Should be good to go. It looks like the glass is supposed to be out while you clip it in. That way it can go over the top. That's all last. Good, good. All right, let's get these screws in. We'll be on our way. All right. There you have it. All I needed was a long, I don't know, crowbar looking thing, short one, Phillips head screwdriver, and a T27 Torx bit. There you go. Easy peasy. Anybody could do it. See you later. So I guess I should show you that it locks. So that is unlocked. There it is, locked. All right, the lock and unlock works. Unlock. There it is. Ah, easy peasy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you later.